backyard update because it is a beautiful sunny day today. It is mid-March and I'm making some serious progress. I just finished filling my first raised bed and things are happening. So I'm filling raised beds with the free compost from the city. My tulips are coming up. My ranunculus are in the ground. I'm so excited. Let me just turn this around and show you what's going on mid-March in the new backyard farm. Well, for starters, we're in mud season here, mid-March. So these 4 raised beds I have not done anything with yet, but we're making lots of progress over here. So this is my old beds that I had. The silver ones were already here and the brown ones were already here. The black ones came from the Bainbridge Blooms property. So let's start in the front because these 2 silver ones, there is a lot happening as you can see. Look at the tulips. I mean, they are amazing. Look at how tall these are. I am gonna have tulips very soon. So this whole bed, if you remember, I made a video us planting the tulips. This is all tulips. They're all different kinds. I can't remember off the top of my head. I'll have to look at my notes. But look at this bed. These are clearly later. These look amazing. So those are the 2 silver front beds. Tulips, amazing. Let's look at these tulips over here and daffodils. So again, we planted these in the fall. So this bed is half tulips and daffodils, double daffs. But look at these. I mean, I think it's March 12th right now. Look at the daffodils. They're so happy. So I am super excited about that. So we're gonna have tulips and daffodils before no time. Since we're standing here, I just finished my first raised bed. So what I did with this one, this is one of the ones that came from the farm. Last fall, I filled it with leaves. These leaves you'll see here. Filled it in the bottom, put cardboard down. Then I topped it with the free compost from the city. And I love it. So this bed, for my records, I put 18 5-gallon buckets in it. So that's a lot. And then it's not completely full. So I'm probably gonna buy some good soil, like some tilth soil, and top it with tilth. And then start planting probably next week. I'm gonna be doing some cool season calendula, some lettuces, some kale, some good stuff. All right, so we got that bed, amazing tulip bed. This bed, so this bed was the OG raised bed for my garden. These 2 brown ones, I built these years ago. And I've been transitioning them into more perennial stuff. So in this one, what you're seeing here, this is the saffron crocus that I planted in the fall. So we got saffron. That will come in the fall. This is gonna grow for a long time, but it looks happy and healthy. And then just the other day, I planted more ranunculus. So this is like another 100 or so ranunculus here. And then there's lavender here, because you know me and lavender. And this is the lavender from Harvest Bell Farm. It's okay, it might need a little fertilizer and some more warmth. I mean, it's still pretty early for lavender, but I can tell by the tips of the color of these, it's gonna survive and she's gonna be really happy. So Harvest Bell lives on. So that bed is full for now. The ranunculus will come out in May and we'll put something else in there. This is my perennial herb bed. So again, another OG brown wood bed. This has, look at the parsley survived the winter, overwintered. These are my chives. Super excited to do something with chive blossoms this year. These are lavenders that I transferred from the farm in Bainbridge Blooms. They're doing okay, see? But they're gonna need a lot of love this year. So I'm gonna be giving them a lot of love. I'm probably gonna top this bed off with tilth as well, because these are all perennials. I've got my thyme starting to come back. My za'atar oregano, super amazing. And I cannot figure out what this herb is, but it overwintered. So I'm happy with that. Don't mind the dogs next door. They're yappy dogs. Okay, so that's the brown raised beds. So we're already halfway done here. Let's talk about this fateful raised bed. If you've been following me online, this is the raised bed that I planted my ranunculus in, and my chicken decimated it because she got loose. She actually did it twice because she's a jerk face. But they're doing okay. I replanted them. It was a cold night last night, so they're trying to perk up, but they're actually looking pretty good. The far end, not so much. These, I still have some more ranunculus in the grow room. I'm probably gonna plant it because these are looking very sad over here. And that one's okay, but I'm gonna have to fill in some of the gaps. But, I mean, that one is looking amazing. And there's the chickens. And this actually used to be my loofah bed, but these are more lavenders from Harvestville Farm. I thought it would be nice to have a row of lavender in front of the chicken coop, because why not? And I think these are doing pretty okay. Yeah, they're okay. If you look at the tips, the color on the tips is starting to come back. So they're gonna be okay. So chickens, we have 7. They're doing good. Now let's talk about this. This is falling apart. We had such a hard winter. It's just time to tear it down. I'm actually cleaning up all of this. I'm gonna tear down all of this. We're getting a new greenhouse. We just gotta save a few more dollars because greenhouses are stupid expensive. All right, and then looking over here, so this is my apple tree. I have an apple tree here, apple tree here. They're doing pretty good. I already pruned them a couple weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, but let's see if I can get it to focus on the bud. No, come on. Well, let me find one. Well, oh, here we go. There's a bud. So we're probably gonna get some apples this year. Here's Cricket baby. Now, I have these 4 raised beds. I still need to fill them. I'm gonna fill them with free compost from the city. That will be helpful, and then I'll top them with tilth. Now, this section here, I tilled. I made a video of me tilling it all. It's gonna be hydrangeas. I still have to dig up a few hydrangeas from the farm, but I already planted some. There's a hydrangea there. It's kind of hard to see. This is one of those black hydrangeas. Look at how amazing it's doing. Look at that. She is happy. Happy hydrangea. So that's beautiful. This is a limelight hydrangea. Another black hydrangea. I think that one's dead. Limelight hydrangea. And then another black one, which is doing fine. And then this section I'm starting to fill out with annuals. I have my hellebores there, and I actually planted more ranunculus underneath my river birch tree. So there's ranunculus there. Where's my hellebore? So here's a hellebore that's just coming out of the ground. Surrounded by ranunculus, because we love ranunculus. Hellebore, and then there's another hellebore. So I'm really hoping that I'm gonna have hellebores for Easter. So that's pretty much it. I'm making progress. It's a big project. It's taking me a long time because it's just me. All right, just a quick update on what's going on in the new backyard situation. Making really good progress. Sorry, there's a hawk coming. Okay, wow. Making really good progress. It's a lot of work. I am really out of shape, but I'm here for it. Tulips, I think we're gonna have tulips in a couple weeks, and I'm praying I could have some tulips from my backyard for Easter, or definitely Mother's Day. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. It is gonna be a crazy cool year in the backyard. There's gonna be a lot of changes. All right, stick around. Hope you're having an amazing day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.